Hi guys, we are looking at my StriVectin blurring primer in this video. So this is one of my favorite primers because I really just feel like I have a good skin day when I apply this in my routine. So I have used this on its own without any makeup, and if it's just you want your skin to look a little bit blurred out and some of your fine lines filled in, great just on its own. And I like that it doesn't clog your pores at all. So I've used silicone-based primers in the past, and just it looks smooth, but it will, basically clog your pores. So with this one, I don't have that issue whatsoever. I just feel like your skin looks much better using this one too, because it is a skincare infused primer. So it feels good, looks better. And just really helps your makeup from settling into any of the creases. So basically, I just apply this all over my face, apply my makeup, and here's how it looks all complete. Definitely check it out.